In our Aerospace 100 class, we were tasked with launching a rocket to 325 feet in the air. The team members of this group were Athul and Kyler. Our design started with the fins of the rocket, as they are a very influential part of the overall design. We had them modeled in open rocket and then laser cut out of a sheet of wood. We decided to increase the size of the fins so that we could hit the target height without adding much weight. Because the rocket is lighter, it would descend more slowly after the parachute had deployed, which would decrease the risk of a broken rocket. Later, we were entertained when Dr. Woodard tested rocket engines with the class. At the end of its burn, an ejection charge is set off, which is meant to open the rocket and allow the parachute to deploy. The construction of our rocket began by assembling pre-made parts. After the basic assembly, we glued the wings on, we made a parachute, and we added some humor. And paid tribute to the supplies that were used. And after all of that, the design was complete.
Three, two, 1, 0. Liftoff. Liftoff. 30 minutes after the end. Major class here. Pod fiddle.
The open rocket simulation predicted that the rocket would go about 20 feet higher than it ended up. And the simulation also thought that the rocket would take longer to speed up than it actually did. After the success of this rocket launch, we really only have one thing to thank: the table.